Good morning. Monday morning. Y'all know what that means, especially power tour time.
Hey, wanna go for a ride in my square body?
Yeah.
Out here with the crew cab this morning, check everything over. If you remember our lighting debacle, 2 evenings ago, that just healed itself. Both taillights work now. So we'll just let that ride. But we're gonna check over fluid, stuff like that, and then we're gonna hop over to Bowling Green for day one of Hot Rod Power Tour. Oh, I'm stoked. So let's check fluid, see what we got. It'd be cool if this hood would just, there it goes. Just gotta beat her up a little bit. Oh. See what we got on the stick. Oh yeah, didn't lose a drop. If I can just get it back in the dipstick hole. Come on, do the thing. Doesn't help that I'm half blind. There she goes. All right. See what our coolant levels on. Should be full right up to the brim. Yes, sir. Can't complain about that. Should check this when it's running, but if there's some on the stick, that makes me trust it. Oh yeah, completely full on that stick. Throughout the week, I'll actually stop and check our trans fluid the right way, but for right now, we're just sending it. So, all right, fluid check complete. We got to go pack our lunches for the day, and then we're gonna come back down and get ready to head over to Bowling Green. Just rolling in now. Have to wait in the line of traffic like you do at every power tour event, but it's worth it when you get to see all the cool vehicles. And what a beautiful venue. Look at this, just meadows and just wonderful ponds and creeks and apparently a big, massive roller coaster over there.
Kentucky Rambler.
Kentucky Rambler.
That's what Google said.
Nice, very nice. But yeah, we'll get all situated and parked up, and we'll start walking around and see everybody rolling on in. We'll have to check that out. That is such a cool truck. That's not the one that ran earlier. There was a square body C10 before, and it was just cooking. That thing's cool. within the last, I don't know, probably half hour to an hour, this place has filled up. There is cars everywhere. I wouldn't be surprised we see some posts later from Motor Trend that they broke some records this year because holy smokes. Yeah, there is just cars everywhere. This is awesome. This is a really good turnout today, especially for day one. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. Right? Dodge Power Wagon, yeah. That thing's pretty neat. All right, we did a bunch of walking around. We have a bunch of stuff that we have to go run around and do, like actually picking up our credentials. So we're gonna do that on the way back to the hotel because they did it at a different venue today and I didn't read the fine print when I bought the pass. So we got to run over and get that so we have our passes for the week. But there's day one of Hot Rod Power Tour here in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Beech Bend Raceway. Super good day, a lot of good cars that showed up. And yeah, so far it's looking like it's gonna be a really, really good week. You're doing a great job.
Thanks.
Sorry, Joe. We had to relocate your sticker to the back glass of the cap. Oh, yours not sorry. Okay,
I meant
well.
that. I meant to do this.
It's okay. All the businesses go on the back. The power tours
Are
go
we
in
in
the
the
front.
back?
Yeah.
Business
Yeah.
in the front.
Oh, absolutely. That's just the way you got to do it, you know? Look at that. That was a flawless, seamless deal right there. I tell you what, well done.
Thank you.
Well done. Officially all stickered up and license placed up. The license plate is on. There we go. Power Tour 2024 officially beginning. Officially day one in the books. Thoughts on day one? Any?
It was pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. There was
It
a lot of
huge
vehicles.
turnout.
Yeah, I would easily estimate what? Easily
At least 12.
12 cars?
At
I would
least.
say there's at least 12 cars
At
there.
least.
No, there was easily, I'd say somewhere between
stay
7 to
close to me.
8,000 all day. So yeah, so far so good. This is where we're gonna end our day. We'll pick it back up tomorrow morning, heading to Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville Super Speedway. Super Speedway!
It's gonna be my first time.
That's gonna be your first time at Nashville, yeah. So
I'm
yeah,
excited.
we will catch you tomorrow morning.
Catch you on the flippity flop.
I'll say it.